Here I've got BLU Grand M2, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we will open serial number through the secret code. You have to tap on phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound or 6 pound. And as you can see, serial number just popped up, so you can smoothly and easily read it. Click on OK to go back. And now you can open both IMEI and serial number through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here, go to the very bottom of the list and pick system. Then you have to select about device. And here under status, you will be able to read your IMEI information. So both IMEI numbers are included here. And then a bit lower, you've got serial number. So this is it. That would be all. So you can smoothly, quickly and easily locate your IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.